Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from INFINIX Zero X Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then tap on the same options in both apps to set them up. First of all, hit I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then hit confirm at the bottom. Continue and allow in this pop-up. Now select Allow All on an Android and hit whatever you want to in all those other pop-ups on both devices. When you finished, hit Send at the bottom left corner of INFINIX and receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on INFINIX, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. In some of those categories, like for example contacts, you need to choose Allow a few more times and then access your files. When you're ready, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom of INFINIX device to continue. Then hit Got It and pick one of those connection ways. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above user guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order before it expires. And when your code is ready, hit Receive button. Close and add. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!